So when it comes to rainwater harvesting, there's always the potential that we're going to find a dead animal in our catchment tank. And when that happens, what do? These are private water systems, so it is up to the user of the water to decide how far you want to go on trying to clean up that system. Some people are adamant that if they find a dead animal in their tank, they will completely drain it, clean it, and make sure that before they go back to using that again, they want to make sure there's no smells, no evidence of that. From a scientific standpoint, finding a dead animal in the tank definitely means that there's you're going to be stuff in your tank that you probably don't want. I would recommend using bleach to clean that up. Probably doing a full tank clean would be a great idea. But using enough chlorine to disinfect that water in the tank so that we can remove all those organics safely so that we don't pump those through our house. Never a fun thing for a rainwater harvester to find in their tank, but it's good to have a plan just in case it does happen. Please consider subscribing or leaving a like if you liked this video. This helps us spread the word about safe water harvesting everywhere.